Well, congratulations if you're watching this after watching the rest of the series. Hopefully you've completed modding your cube at this point or are getting ready to start. I want to briefly summarize the methodology behind this process and hit some key points. At the end, I'll show you an average of 5 on this cube that I've created to show you what can be done through this thinking process. The method consists of 5 major parts. You'll need a vision statement of sorts, tools and materials, an organizer for the mods you'll undertake, planning and executing the mods, and then testing the mods out one by one. The vision statement is crucial. It might not take you a lot of time, but it's going to drive your entire project. The tools and materials may seem obvious to you, but choosing a good template can be challenging. Prioritizing your mods is important. You need to know which mods need to be done first and consider whether the mods will affect anything else. Dependencies can make or break your project. Planning your mods can also be a challenge. Ask yourself for inspiration if you don't have any ideas. If there isn't any precedence, you might just have to try out a new mod that no one else has done and hope for the best. Every mod you do is beneficial, even if it's a flop. You'll know what to do in future mods, or what not to do in future mods. Executing the mods should be fairly easy if you plan them out well. The important part to take away is to perform only one mod at a time, and executing and testing is an important sub-method. You can only know if a certain mod works or not if you test it compared to a control. In modding, your control is the cube before you did the mod. By doing only one mod at a time, you can compare the two states and decide which is better or worse. When testing your mod, you might find mistakes. Don't worry about it. Try to find why the cube isn't as good as you hoped for, and try to find a mod to counter it. Hopefully the series was fruitful for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment on a particular part or here. If there are a ton of questions or a lot of similar questions, I will create a follow-up video answering them. So if you enjoyed the series, don't forget to subscribe for future tutorials. Right now, I'm going to end with an average of 5. Feel free to skip it if you want. I won't be talking during it. So at this point, thank you for watching, and toodles.